Right, a very good morning. Just 6 minutes away from noon. The trial is on today at the very time because I'm leaving court now. At this very time, another Crown prosecution witness is in the box giving evidence. You know, and just to give you a quick recap of what happened earlier this morning, as soon as the court resumed at 9:30, just after 9:30, the judge, her ladyship, told the jury there was going to be an amendment to some of the counts. And then she gave them direction. And then before they brought in the first witness for the day, she told them, after going through the amendment, the counts, and then she told them, look, when all the evidences have been heard, that is at the end of the trial itself, that, she told them the burden of proof is on the prosecution, that the defense don't have to prove anything, that before they can make their judgment, before they can return their verdict, they must be sure that the Crown has proved their case beyond reasonable doubt. She emphasized, I said, the burden of proof is on the prosecution, that the defense don't have to do anything. They don't have to prove she's not guilty. They don't have to prove that the accused, those indicted, the three of them are not guilty. She said the burden of proof is on the prosecution. I said they must be, any verdict, anything they are going to say, any verdict they are going to give at the end of the trial based on all the evidence, they must satisfy themselves that the Crown has proved its case, that the defense, there is no obligation on them to prove that the accused, that Diezani and the two others are not guilty. Is all on the Crown to prove their case. As I speak now, the two of them are in the dock, Diezani and Olatimbo are in the dock, listening to the evidence of a gentleman who used to work for a concession company at Arrow. She is the one giving the evidence right now. Earlier in the day, the building manager of 58 Harley House, he was in the witness box. He gave his evidence, and he said, after the evidence, the barrister for Diezani did cross-examine him before he was allowed to go. So it's been more than one Crown prosecution witness today, and the Crown also read written statement, and the judge told them these statements, they are as valid as if the people who wrote the written statement as if they are live in court. So those were the direction. That's how it has panned out today. I'll give further updates and detailed updates next week. As you know, court adjourns 1:30 on Friday, so probably the witness will be there till 1:30, but that is witness, the third or fourth witness for today. The last one was very short. He used to work as a sales executive for Thomas Good, a concession company inside Arrow. He didn't have much to offer before his time was off. So that's the update so far. Day number 9, week number 2. We go into week 3 next week on Monday. I'll see you then.